Alright, just a quick little walk around of my new radio setup here. First up, we have backup camera. Just drilled through this piece here, ran the wires inside, nice and easy. And then coming around inside the vehicle here, we got, I haven't cleaned up yet, don't worry about any of that stuff. So we got the radio here, and it looks pretty good in the, I should probably take those stickers off, but everything looks pretty good. I can probably adjust it a little bit if I really wanted to, but it looks good enough for me. Right now I just have wire hanging out here. That's for my wired CarPlay. Don't know what I'm going to do with that one yet. You can kind of see the wire just ran right under there for right now. I'll adjust that a little bit later. So we're going to go key on. And there we go. That's the radio. We'll go ahead and go into reverse, and that's our reverse camera right there. This right here is the only thing that bothers me, is every time I come out of reverse, it pops that up. I'm sure I can turn that off, I just don't know how to do it just yet. Alright, anything else you guys want to see, let me know.